Hey everyone. Well, I have gone and bought this nice little Leviton Moviette lamp on eBay. Now I had one of these before, and it was ivory in color, but it was lost in the Woolsey fire back in 2018. Now this little thing, it's very small and very cute. And what we'll do is place a 12-ounce soda can next to it, just to give you some perspective. Now the cord on this thing is super sketchy, but I'm not afraid. We will go ahead and turn the lamp on. And don't try this at home because here we are experts. And what we'll do now is turn the lights off, give you some dramatic nighttime lighting effects. Hope you enjoy the show. We'll be back after to close this video out. Now, just as a little bit of an aside here, I'm going to warn you that the shade on these little lamps can get quite hot. My little ivory lamp would get up to 160 degrees, so we're going to temp this one out and see what it does. So up top of the shade in this short time, it's up to about 110 degrees. And we'll now go underneath here and take a temperature reading around where the bulb is. And you can see it's about 141 degrees. So after this lamp works for a while, you can see that it would get hot. And so with that, we're going to go ahead and turn this little lamp off. Now, before this lamp goes into any long-term use at all, that cable is going to get changed out. And I might do a little video on how you do that. Anyway, we'll go ahead and close this video out. I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed seeing this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button as well, because we will have more to come.